One of the best trades here on forex trendy. Watch the video until the end because I'm going to show you the best and the worst trades of the day, and I'm going to reveal some trading secrets that will help you for free. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you what happened on the forex market and on forex trendy. Before starting, subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, help me grow this channel because I want to help many people here on the internet. I know there are many novice traders that need help. So today I'm going to show you the good ones and the bad ones on the 5-minute charts. I like to show everything because I like to be clear with my viewers. There are no magic tools to become rich overnight. You will become rich if you have a trading plan with working strategies and very strict rules, especially money management rules. This makes the difference between a very good trader and a loser. Okay. So my advice is to have at least a very good strategy, a working strategy that you back test it, so it's working. Because if you're gonna just invest casually because you feel the price may go up or down, you're gonna lose money on the long run. You can be lucky once, 2, 3 times, but you're gonna lose money. If you want to use forex trading, you will find the link below in the description. But let's jump on the first trade of the day. So we got the euro and the Australian dollar. We got a rising wedge sell signal break at 62.00. Well, it's not a good signal because when you see such a messy chart with a very big candles, so there is a lot of movement in the market. There is no safe. This is not a safe place to trade. I'm quite conservative, so I'm quite picky with signals. And as you can see, we got a very strong bearish impulse, then the price retracing, and then starting to lateralize. So we got a channel here on 61.77 and a 62.13. For me, it's not a good signal just because of the size of the candles. Okay. Let's jump to the Singapore dollar and the Japan yen. This is a textbook trade. We got this nice triangle. It took many hours to form, and after the breakout, we had a retest on the trend line and next to the psychological level, around 0.0. You have to know that 0.0 and 50 are very important levels. They call them magnets, okay, because the price is always attracted to 0.0 and 50. And after the retest, the price started to go up, reaching the 81.28. So we got a very nice trade, at least 20 pips. Okay, at least 20 pips. It depends on your strategy and on the spread, because there are guys that prefer to take few pips or at least 20 pips and go away. Let's jump to the New Zealand dollar and the USD. Another bad signal today, because this flag doesn't really good, doesn't look good, because yes, we got 4 touching points, 5 touching points, and 3 touching points, but it's not enough. And if you look at the price action, it looks like we are in a channel, and the size of the candles is too big, so there is no safe entry for me. I have to make a statement before, in settings, I have reliability on medium, but if you go on highest, you will receive much better signals. So it's just me because I like to read price action, because for me price action is the king. So another good one, as you can see, after the breakout, the price retraced. Here back inside the pattern, retesting this level around 69.33. 2 times double bottom and then started to go up. Not a good trade for me, honestly. Let's jump to the silver. It's pretty weak. Again, we got a flag after two double top. So if I see a double top here and the flag forming, I mean, I stay away from the signal. Okay, so we got a breakout on, at 23.69, and the price struggled to retest, the previous highs, and was here next to the neckline around 83.84. Let's go to oil. A nice trade, another textbook trade. You can spot the difference between this very good one, okay, and the previous one where the candles were so big. As you can see, the big candles and the erratic movement. On this one, we got a very nice bullish impulse. The market is going up properly with this zigzag movement. The retracement. And then the flag, we got a breakout here. And then the retest, the price retested this previous level at around 66.81. Going inside. It depends on your strategies, on your stop loss. Okay. And then went back inside. Went back up again, reaching the 68.04. If you want to be successful in forex trading, you must learn, the technical analysis and fundamental analysis, because everything is so correlated, and it's very important to look at the interest rates, PMI. We got many indicators to take a look. It's not sufficient to take a look at the chart. You have to you need a long vision of the markets, where the market is heading. Even on the 5-minute chart, yes, you have to have like a 1 hour, 30-minute, 4-hour long-term vision, but it's important to know where the big money are going. It's very important. Even if on the 5-minute charts, movement are so fast, so things change so fast. It's important to remember where the big money are going. Let's jump to the Singapore and then dollar and the Japan yen. We have a flag buy signal break at 81.01. So another very good trade. As you can see, the size of the candles is modest, and we got a bullish impulse. Then here the market is breathing on 80.92, going up to 81.08, and the breakout. No retest here, going up to 81.29. So a very good trade. 29 pips, and it's still going on. Let's jump to the USD and Japan yen. We have a triangle buy signal break at 71. So after the Asian session, at London time, not a big Asian session here for the USD Japan yen, honestly. We got this head and shoulder, but the price was of course rebounding on this very strong support around 69. Okay, we got a very strong breakout, and then a little bit of uncertainty. That the price is struggling between 0973 and 0981. Then going up in the morning here, Europe time, going up to 110.07. So a very good trade. Remember interest rates, and remember about central banks, what their policies, because the expectations move the market. British pound, Japan yen, we had a very interesting day on here. Remember, on the British pound is very, very quick and fast value. You need to have a specific strategy for the British pound, because the market, the sterling can go so fast in each direction. So you need a bigger stop loss. Remember, it's very sensitive to news. If you remember about the Brexit, I remember a trade we got like a huge trade just in 20 minutes or 5-minute charts. So be careful, remember about this. So again, we got a falling wedge after the price was dancing on the support zone around 52. We got a breakout and the price going up to 5107. So a huge one for day trading. Believe me, guys, 50 pips is a lot, a lot. Let's jump to the USD and then Danish krone. When you're trading the exotic pairs, remember the spread, because you're gonna find bigger spreads. Of course, you can make more money if you have good strategies, but you're gonna pay a bigger spread. Okay, so remember this, include this in your strategies if you wanna trade the USD Danish krone. This was a fluffy trade, the Fed breakout. We have a sell signal break at 32.79. So weak, can go down. In fact, the price went back up, retesting the 33.84. Because the expectation on the Federal Reserve and interest rates are so high, so the price wasn't motivating enough to go down. Last trade of the day here, we got a Euro CAD and we got a triangle buy signal break at 48.19. I don't know. This is a 50-50 trade because I don't really like the size of these candles, and the chart looks so messy. Even though the price is rebounding on this very strong structure around 47.96, and is so we got all the elements, to expect an upward movements. But honestly, if I look at the chart, I'm not really excited. Okay, so we got a breakout at 48.19, and the price went back in, retesting this previous level around 10. It's sometimes, many times, it's very hard for the price to leave 0 level, the magnet, and then going up. At 48.40. So, but to me, it doesn't look good. If I want to trade a chart like this, I will wait for a retest here on this large zone around 48.20 and 47.98. Okay, but before this, I'm gonna read the indicators. Okay, the economic indicators, because there's always a reason behind a big movement. So for today's everything, I hope you appreciated this video. Leave a like if you like it. If you want to use forex, you will find the link below in the description. Leave a comment, let me know what you think. See you in the next video. Bye bye.